Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra and I hope you're well. In this video I will share with you how to capture unique perspective microscope shots using your smartphone. I'm using my Realme C1 and this one device for only illustrative purpose. How to do this? So Realme C1 is also 3 years old device and under $100 smartphone. So I'm using budget segment smartphone to do this. So everyone can do this using smartphone. So let's check out some samples and let me know what do you think about all of these samples captured with Realme C1. So let me know what do you think. And one more thing about it, if you have OIS enabled device, so you can get much better and sharper images. Similarly, if you fit your smartphone tripod, so you can get much better results and sharper, because I am captured all of these images handheld. That's why shakiness will be occurred in some images. So all of the images captured with Realme C1. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, so please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get more videos like this one, and make sure you also follow me on social media handles to get updates. The next photo is my favorite because this one is take much effort to capture it. The blurriness occurred during capturing photo because my hand shakiness again. This is the live preview when I am taking pictures of the bee, so you can get each and every detail. How is it possible? So here you can see even very little details on the bee. One more thing, I'm using my smartphone Realme C1 again. If you have OIS enabled device, so you can get better results. So how to capture microscope shots or microscope videos using your smartphone? I'm using right now 𝐿. It's related to medical, but I'm using right now 𝐿. Similarly, you can try 𝐻𝐿, but I'm not responsible for anything else. I'm tried many times 𝐿 on my smartphone camera. It's not harmful at all for your smartphone. I'm tried different times. After 3 to 4 minutes, 𝐿 change its color to transparency to white. So you have just need to swap the 𝐿 with cloth or any tissue, so your camera glass again clear crystal. So how to do this? Simply you can see here, simply apply very little amount of 𝐿 or 𝐻𝐿 on your smartphone camera. Main rear camera, some smartphone comes with triple camera sensor and 2 macro and depth sensor and 1 rear sensor, main sensor. So simply apply on the primary main sensor to capture these photos. I hope you like this unique perspective to capture unique microscope shots and videos. So one more thing, I'm not responsible for anything else. You are responsible. What do you do? This is just for educational purpose and share unique perspective to capture microscope shots or videos using any smartphone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider to subscribe and also follow me on social media handles to get updates. And make sure you also subscribe and press the bell icon to get more videos like this one. See you soon in next video.